What's up guys, it's Srimarotu. Today, I'll explain how to add a button to HTML that can show an alert when it is clicked and how to add a hyperlink to the button. And last, I'll teach you how to add a hyperlink to a HTML document. So first, to add our button, let's give the button tag with the angle brackets. And then in the button, I want the button to say click me with a link at the end. And now in the button tag itself, I'm going to say on click equals, so on click to be alert, so alert. And then now without closing the double quotes, you want to open parentheses, and in the parentheses you want to give single quotes, and what you want the alert to say you have to type in here. So I'm going to say OMG, you clicked on me, yay. And then now you can close your double quotes before your angle brackets. Now all you have to do is close your button tag. Okay, so now we can save our document onto our desktop or anywhere you want. I'll just save it onto my code. So I'll just save it as Shree's website and number 4 because it's the 4th version, and it's going to be .html extension, and save it. Now all I have to do is navigate to that folder, documents, code, and open it up. It's going to open with your default browser. Okay, and there you go. You can see it right there. When I click on it, OMG, it clicked on me, yay. So before we continue, let's just go ahead and add a background so it looks better. BG color equals, and I want it to be orange. Bam. 1 second. Yeah, we can just put these together. Okay. Now, if you don't want the alert anymore, you can just delete it because we're going to be adding the hyperlink now. So let's go ahead and delete that. And now we can type in a tag, close the a tag, and then with the front slash close it. And now in the a tag, you want to give a ref to add the hyperlink into the button, and equals double quotes, and we'll navigate to the website in which you want to give the hyperlink. So I want to give my YouTube channel as a hyperlink part. So 1 second, let's go to my YouTube.com. Okay, what is happening? Okay. Oh no, things switching everything. Okay, so now let's just search up Srimarotu. There we go. Let's click on our channel page, and here it is. So let's just copy the link. Copied, and now we can paste it here. Bam. Now you want to create a button, and you can give what you want the button to say. I want to say go to my YouTube channel page, and then save that. We can close this. Now we can refresh. Bam. Click on it, and it goes to the YouTube channel page. And last, let's insert a hyperlink. Okay. So to insert a hyperlink, you have to start with the a tag, and then href equals, and you don't have to give any spaces. And now you can paste any link. I'll just paste the link I just used in my button, enter, and now you just can close the link. And if you want the link to say anything, you can give something in the middle. So I'm just going to keep it simple by saying click me, and semicolon, bam. Save it, go here, refresh, click me, and there you go. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.